Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Yes, you are fine. So, how's going on your holidays? Not good. It's okay. But next year you enjoy your holidays. Yes, na? Yes. Do you want to get enjoyment these holidays? Yes. You are ready? Yes. So then we are going to visit a forest. Okay? By this lesson. So let us start English subject unit first lesson number 2, that is a forest holiday. Okay. Yes. See here the two pictures of tigers. Do you know which one is the happy tiger? In this case, inside of the cage tiger is happy, or outside of the cage of tiger happy? Yes, this tiger is happy. Why? Because this tiger is outside of a cage and this inside of cage. So this tiger is happy and this tiger is not happy. Yes, na? Yes. Good. Let us start the lesson. Last year, my family welcomed the new year at the national park. My father arranged for all of us to stay for 2 days near of the Corbett Tiger Reserve. Corbett Tiger Reserve means an area of land to the keep protect for tigers or animals, wild animals. Okay. I was so excited about the trip that I was counting the days until I reached. And now I am counting the day until I can go back again someday. See here, that boy is very excited because he going to trip a national park. Okay. The Corbett Tiger Reserve is a beautiful forest. It is a foothills of the Great Himalayas. You know where is it located? In a Great Himalayas. Foothill means a low hill at the bottom of the mountain. That is a mountain's bottom side land called a foothills. Resorts meaning a place where the people of go to the holiday. They live there in a holidays day. Okay. Because he going to trip a national park. Okay. The Corbett Tiger Reserve is a beautiful forest. It is a foothills of the Great Himalayas. You know where is it located? In a Great Himalayas. Foothill means a low hill at the bottom of the mountain. That is a mountain's bottom side land called a foothills of the Great Himalayas. The jungles are dense with a lot of trees and a river called the Ramaganga. Dense means that is a thick area. Thick area is a related of the trees and rivers. So that called a Ramaganga. There are so many animals that live here, including tigers and elephants. We reached on the evening of the 30th December. Father had booked the room outside the reserve in a resort nearby. There are so many resorts there. Too many says father. They disturb the animals. I think if people would be quiet and not drive fast, it would not be such a problem. Resorts meaning a place where the people of go to the holiday. They live there in a holidays day. Okay. Early in the morning, the next day, we went on a jeep ride inside the cool and green reserve with a forest guide. He pointed out so many animals and birds to us. I may never have spotted them otherwise. We saw a tree filled with a hornbills and a family of langurs playing on a dry river bed. See, hornbills, you know that? Yes, last time we in the last year's in lesson there hornbills we learn. Yes, the large big bird. We call a hornbills that a large big birds. And langurs means the Asian monkey, that their tail is a very long. Yes, Asian monkey. So he saw that time a trees filled with a hornbills and family of the langurs playing on a dry river bed. The tree filled with the hornbills means there is a lot of the hornbills on a tree. See, they are showing the picture here. The grey hornbills, yes na? The grey hornbills and the langurs playing with family on a dry river bed. Okay. Jeep ride was so thrilling that we went on another on that evening. Thrilling means, yes, a feeling very excitement. Very excitement. Thrilling means a feel very excitement. This time we saw a magnificent Sambas stag with very big horns. They are called the antlers. The guide told me. You know, magnificent means extremely impressive and attractive things. Extremely impressive and attractive things. Stag means the male of a deer. You know, stag means a male of deer. They have a big horns. They are called antlers. A guide told me. Where is the horns? Yes, on the stag. Yes, on their head. My mother took many photographs from the jeep. We were not allowed to get out of the jeep inside the jungle. Yes, there is a rule. Yes. The next morning, my father's friend, Hari uncle, took us for a tour near the reserve. He helps the forest officers as a scientist. He showed us the place where the tiger had killed a cow last month. I was little scared to see the place. Where will it get the food, Asha? Uncle quacked, seeing my face. Yes, quacked means made a quick, clever joke. Yes. On the night of the 31st December, I received a pair of the binoculars from Hari uncle. He said I could use it on my next visit. He told me that it was a present for never complain that I had not seen a tiger in the jungle. Most people complain, he said. They do not understand that the tigers prefer to stay far away from people, he said with a twinkle in his eyes. Then we left on New Year's Day. Early in the morning, as we left, I saw a flock of duck in the river. I called out of them softly, "Goodbye, see you soon." Friends, do you enjoy this trip? Yes, I also enjoy this trip. Do you like the lesson? Yes, very good. Thank you.